What's going on, guys? Today we're back at it again, and I'm going to show you how to use a bidet in your toilet. Alright, we picked this here up on Amazon. Alright, we have a toilet paper crisis right now. It's hard to get toilet paper in the store, so I said, you know what, let's get one of these. Alright, here's everything right here and your instructions it comes with. Alright, we went with the middle option there and connected our T adapter straight to the tank. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Okay, just get a quick look at all this good stuff here. And that's it. Alright, so it connects to your toilet right here, right on top. You see that? Alright, very easy to install. I'm not even going to show you the installation. It's so easy. Okay, here's your fitting it comes with. This piece, this hose right here, all the way up over here to your T fitting. Alright, and that's in your top tank. That's my existing line from my toilet tank right here. Okay, T fitting. I use Teflon tape at all the connectors there. Same thing here. Okay. Alright, so this one, it has a dual feature on it. Okay. It's got a lady wash right there. Okay. And for your behind right there. Alright. I'm going to show you how this lady wash works right here real quick, alright? Let me show you. Woo! Man! Ain't that something? You see that? So, that's for the ladies wash. Now, you can control the pressure, okay? The more you turn it, the harder it comes out, okay? So, that's like a low right there, and that's high, alright? So, that was just for the lady wash, okay? So, now we're going to go ahead and turn it over here to this one. The behind. All right, here we go. Oh, man. Oh, but that's for the behind. So when you're sitting there, just imagine that. Okay. So here we got this pressure. I'm gonna turn it on low and work my way up to high. All right. There we go. Low and this high right there. All right. Well, there you go. And that's how you use the bidet in the bathroom here from Amazon. Alright, so great item. It works amazing. But yeah, a self-cleaning feature too. I forgot to say that. So yeah, see that how it's got a little self-cleaning feature. Okay, so when you turn it off, that happens automatically. You don't even notice it. So here we go, on and off. See that self-cleaning right there? Same thing on the lady side. Alright, so there it is. Alright, well, everything's soaked in here now, but there we go. Self-cleaning, dual nozzle. It's got the lady wash, the men wash. Amazing product, amazing product. But you do have to be sitting down on the toilet for it to work, and I'm not going to be doing that in my video. Alright, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.